Hi, today I'll be making a detailed review of Instantly.AI, one of the fastest growing cold email platforms that's shaking up how small and medium-sized businesses handle outreach in 2025. If you've ever tried cold emailing before, you'll know it's not as simple as hitting send. You've got to manage deliverability, avoid spam filters, find the right leads, test different messages, and somehow do it all without burning out. That's where Instantly.AI steps in. We'll go through a detailed overview, main features, fees, pros and cons, and finally a balanced conclusion on whether it's the best cold email software for small businesses in 2025. Launched with a very specific goal in mind, Instantly.AI was created to make cold emailing scalable, effective, and beginner-friendly without charging ridiculous per-seat fees. Instead of limiting you by the number of inboxes you can connect, Instantly.AI offers unlimited email accounts on a flat monthly price. That alone makes it stand out because in most competing tools, adding more accounts quickly makes costs spiral out of control. But unlimited accounts is just the start. Instantly.AI also comes with built-in warm-up technology, which means your inboxes gradually build a healthy sending reputation. This is huge because if your mails land in spam, your campaign is dead before it starts. With automated warm-up, your chances of reaching the main inbox shoot up dramatically. And it's not just about sending emails. Instantly.AI has integrated tools for lead finding, campaign management, AZ testing, analytics, and even a unified inbox for managing replies. This means that you can run your entire cold outreach in one place without juggling 5 different apps. Now let us talk about the main features of Instantly.AI. Lead Finder and Enrichment. One of the biggest challenges in cold emailing is finding quality leads. Instantly.AI tackles this head-on with its Lead Finder, a built-in database of over 160 million verified B2B contacts. You can filter leads by job title, industry, company size, country, and even specific technologies they use. If you already have your own list, Instantly.AI can enrich it with verified contact details, making sure you're not wasting time sending to dead addresses. This means fewer bounces and a much cleaner sender reputation. Unlimited email accounts and warm-up. This is arguably Instantly.AI's biggest selling point. You can connect as many email accounts as you want: Gmail, Outlook, custom domains, and every single one of them can be put through automated warm-up sequences. This process gradually ramps up sending volume so your domain builds trust with email providers. The warm-up is entirely hands-off, running in the background, so you don't have to micromanage anything. Campaign creation and AZ testing. Once your accounts are ready, creating campaigns is straightforward. You just add leads, set up your sequences, choose sending times, and then let it run. What's really interesting is the AZ testing feature. Instead of just A/B testing 2 subject lines or email borders, you can test multiple variations at once. The system automatically identifies the best performers and prioritizes them, meaning you're constantly optimizing without extra work. Unibox, Unified Inbox Management. All replies from all your campaigns land in one place. This central hub automatically tags responses, interested, not interested, out of office, etc. using AI. It's like having a lightweight CRM built right in, so you can track conversations and opportunities without switching platforms. Deliverability tools and analytics. Deliverability is the backbone of cold emailing. Instantly.AI handles technical configurations like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC setup, and even comes with a spam word checker to keep your contents clean. On top of that, you get detailed analytics, open rates, click rates, reply rates, conversions, and revenue tracking. This allows you to see not just who opened your emails, but whether those opened turned into actual sales. Added perks. As a bonus, Instantly.AI offers training resources, cold email templates, and access to an active private community of cold emailers. This makes it easier for beginners to get started and for experienced senders to refine their strategies. Now let us talk about the pricing. There are different packages. There's the outreach plan, there's the super search plan, and there's a CRM plan. It's a simple pricing for everyone, built for businesses of all sizes. Now for CRM, you have the Growth CRM and the IEPA CRM. You can choose to pay monthly and yearly as well. And there's a super search plan with the Growth, Supersonic, Hypercredits, and Enterprise plans. And there's also the Outreach plan with the Growth most affordable at $30 per month. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Instantly.AI. Built-in lead database saves time on prospecting. AZ testing improves results automatically. Strong deliverability tools and spam prevention. And it's easy to set up and a beginner-friendly interface. How about the cons? Warm-up pool is shared, which means occasional fluctuations in performance. Additional cost may come from buying domains and setting up new accounts. And it lacks deeper multi-channel features like LinkedIn or SMS outreach. But here is a balanced conclusion. When you look at what small businesses need in 2025, which includes affordability, scalability, ease of use, and high deliverability, Instantly.AI ticks every box. Instantly.AI offers enterprise-level capabilities at small business-friendly pricing. And if you've been struggling to get your cold outreach off the ground, or you're tired of paying per inbox, this could very well be the game changer that you need. And that's it on the review of Instantly.AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives you may explore, Reply.io, Woodpecker, and Mixmax. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.